Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sell crypto for cash on crypto.com step by step in a simple and easy way. So the tutorial today is how to sell crypto for cash on the crypto.com app. First, open up the crypto.com app and go to your account balance. This is where you can see all of your assets. Next, press the trade button. This is the main area where you buy and sell crypto inside the app. From there, select the sell option. This tells the app that you want to convert your crypto into cash instead of buying more. Now, pick the cryptocurrency you want to sell from the list. Make sure it's a coin you currently hold in your wallet. After that, select Crypto Wallet to initiate the transaction. This confirms that the crypto you're selling is coming directly from your wallet balance. On the confirmation page, enter the number of tokens you want to sell. Double-check the amount and the details before moving on. Once everything looks good, tap the blue Confirm button at the bottom of the screen to complete the sale. And that's it. Your crypto will be sold and converted into cash inside your crypto.com account. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more crypto.com and crypto tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want to see another guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.